Hi, welcome to my channel Learning Made Easy. We will be taking a session here on Bade Bhai Sahab revision. That is, I'll be giving few MCQ question practice on this chapter. I have already taken this chapter in detail. If not watched, I'll be giving the link in the description box. Okay, so here we'll be practicing few MCQ questions that are being expected from this chapter. Now, the Lekhak of Bade Bhai Sahab is Prem Chand, born in July 13, 1880, passed away 8th October 1936. Okay, now let's move on to the questions, MCQ questions. First one, बड़े भाई साहब के अनुसार जीवन की समझ कैसे आती है? According to Bade Bhai Sahab, how do we get a proper understanding about life? Is the question. Options अनुभव से, धक्के खाकर, पढ़ने से, सभी. The correct option is option A, अनुभव से. That is from life experience. Okay, if you have watched my video where I had explained the chapter, you will get the answer straight away. Okay, next question. बड़े भाई साहब दिमाग को आराम देने के लिए क्या करते थे? बड़े भाई साहब, in order to take some rest, or in order to give a little break for his dimag, for his brain, what does he do? Okay, in between of his studies during break time, in order to relax, what does he do? कॉपी और किताब के हाशियों पर कुत्तों और बिल्लियों की तस्वीर बनाते थे, एक ही शब्द को बार बार लिखते थे, बिना अर्थ के शब्द लिखते थे, सभी. That means first option is in the hashiyon par. Hashiyon par means in the corner of notebook or the paper he used to draw few pictures of dogs or cats. Second option, he used to write same word again and again. Third option, he used to make a few words with which are meaningless, which has no meaning. He used to just make his own words. Fourth option, uparukt sabhi, means all of the above. So as I said, all these answers you will get straight away by watching my first session or by even reading your textbook. Okay, so the correct option is option D. He used to do all of the above. लेखक की अपने बारे में क्या धारणा बन गई थी? लेखक. Now लेखक here is not बड़े भाई, it is छोटे भाई. Learners normally get confused at this, that लेखक is बड़े भाई. No, लेखक is a छोटा भाई, the younger brother. Okay, so what did the younger brother start thinking about himself? Okay, वह बिना पढ़े भी प्रथम आएगा, कि वह फेल हो जाएगा, कि वह नहीं पढ़ सकता, इनमें से कोई नहीं. करेक्ट आंसर फर्स्ट ऑप्शन, बिना पढ़े भी प्रथम आएगा. He got a feeling that without studying also I am going to get first in the class, or I will pass the examination. This is what he started thinking, because he was passing all the examinations, right? The younger brother, लेखक or author. Okay, next question. लेखक को कौन सा नया शौक पैदा हो गया था? What is a new habit that was started coming into the mind of लेखक or author? What did he start having habit of, a new habit of? कंचे खेलने का, किताबें पढ़ने का, पतंग उड़ाने का, सभी. Yes, the correct answer is पतंग उड़ाने का, right? Option C. He had this new habit of, he started liking, he had a favor towards this game of flying पतंग or kites. लेखक के भाई साहब उससे कितने साल बड़े थे? लेखक's elder brother was how many years elder than the लेखक or the author or the छोटे भाई, younger brother? Yes, it's option B, 5 साल, 5 years, right? Next question. बड़े भाई साहब लेखक से कितनी कक्षा आगे थे? The elder brother was how many classes ahead of the younger brother? This, my students, please note, you have to tick the option that is on the basis of the beginning of the chapter. That is, in the beginning, in how many classes difference was there between them. Okay, later on those number was decreasing, right? But we need to answer on the basis of the first difference between the classes of elder and younger brother, and it was option B, 3 कक्षा. in the beginning of the chapter, they start with 3 years difference between the classes of Bade Bhai and Chote Bhai, which then decreases to some 1 class difference. Okay, but here the correct option is option B, 3 कक्षा, 3 classes. भाई साहब किस मामले में जल्दबाजी नहीं करते थे? In which situation did the बड़े भाई did not make any जल्दबाजी? Means he didn't make any hurry burry in one thing. What was that? खेल कूद में, लड़ने में, शिक्षा के मामले में, निर्णय लेने के बारे में. It is option C, शिक्षा के मामले में. In the case of studies is the correct answer. In the case of studies, बड़े भाई didn't make any hurry. Okay, he was going in a slow pace. Next question. वे हर काम को साल में 2 या 3 बार क्यों करते थे? Why did बड़े भाई do all his work slowly? Okay, like it took for him 2 to 3 years to complete, for example, his studies. Why? क्योंकि वे धीरे चलना पसंद करते थे, क्योंकि बुनियाद को मजबूत बनाना पसंद करते थे, क्योंकि आलसी थे, अच्छा लगता था. The correct option is option B, क्योंकि बुनियाद को मजबूत बनाना पसंद करते थे. This is the reason that बड़े भाई used to give for his failing or sitting in the same class 2 to 3 years. What is the reason he gives? He says, मुझे अपनी बुनियाद को मजबूत बनाना है. That means I want to make my base or foundation very पुख्ता और मजबूत, means strong. You will get these words in the textbook itself. Okay? The very easy way to attend your exam for each and every lesson, I can tell you, is first look at the video. I have taken detailed explanation of each and every chapter. Then you can read the textbook once and then watch this MCQ. I can guarantee you a good marks. Okay? Next. लेखक का मन किस काम से नहीं लगता था? किस काम में नहीं लगता था? So लेखक's मन, okay, लेखक here is a younger brother, don't get confused. His mind was not, always, he used to not concentrate on what? पढ़ने में, खेलने में, दोस्तों के साथ, काम में. Yes, it is पढ़ने में, option A. Okay, he couldn't study at all. He always had his mind in playing games, okay, unlike his elder brother. Don't look at the question number, okay? I have just selected these questions from here and there, so question numbers will be different. Okay, next question. लेखक के दिल के टुकड़े किस बात पर हो जाते थे? The younger brother or the author, लेखक, his दिल के टुकड़े, his heart used to be broken into pieces at what thing? At what situation does this happen? पतंग कटने से, खेल में हार जाने से, फेल होने से, भाई साहब के उपदेश सुनने से. Yes, it is option D, भाई साहब के उपदेश सुनने से. उपदेश means advice. His heart used to break into pieces when he gets to listen to those advices from his elder brother. So it is option D. भूमंडल का स्वामी कौन था? There is a line in this chapter. भूमंडल का स्वामी रावण. ओके, घमंड के कारण भूमंडल का स्वामी रावण का भी नहीं रहा. तुम्हारा क्या होगा? It's not, the words might not be exact, but this is what it was. I mean, here the Bade Bhai, while giving advice to younger brother, says that the entire world's Swami or God, Ravan, even he couldn't, because of his pride in him, okay, he was destroyed. Then what will be your condition? Okay, this is what, there was a line in this chapter. So who is that Bhumandal ka Swami? I have just now said it is option C, Ravan. Okay, so you'll get an idea that what type of question is going to come, right? Even from in between the lines, anything like this can come, or muhavre from this chapter's meaning can be asked. Okay, anything can come of that sort. Next question. बड़े भाई छोटे भाई से हर समय सबसे पहले क्या सवाल पूछते थे? What is the question that बड़े भाई always used to ask first to his younger brother whenever he sees him? तुम कहाँ थे? क्या कर रहे थे? कहाँ जा रहे हो? पढ़ाई कर ली? Option A is the correct answer. अब तुम कहाँ थे? Where were you now? Okay, that is option A is the correct answer. बड़े भाई में क्या गुण थे? What were the क्वालिटीज़ ऑफ बड़े भाई, गंभीर प्रवृत्ति के थे, छोटे भाई के हितैषी थे, वाक कला में निपुण थे, उपरोक्त सभी. So what are the qualities of बड़े भाई? First one is गंभीर प्रवृत्ति के थे, very strong kind of actions he used to do, very matured kind of. Second, छोटे भाई के हितैषी थे. हितैषी means शुभ चिंतक और well wisher, he used to always wish good for his younger brother. Third, वाक कला में निपुण थे, in using words, in speaking, in providing advice. In the case of बड़े भाई, he was very good. All of the above. So the correct option is all of the above, option D, sabhi. All those qualities were there in बड़े भाई. Next, बड़े भाई वर्तमान शिक्षा प्रणाली के विरुद्ध क्यों हैं? Why was बड़े भाई against the वर्तमान शिक्षा प्रणाली, the current education system? खेल कूद पर जोर देती है. The education system gives more importance on games. किताबी कीड़ा बनाती है और वास्तविकता से दूर है. It makes you just by heart things, and what actually the life experiences that should be, understood by people, that nothing of that sort is taught. Only they want you to just by heart things and pass and get good marks. Third, बहुत लाभदायक नहीं है. Not very effective, not very beneficial. Last one, उपरोक्त सभी, all of the above. Now here the correct option on the basis of the chapter. You might have your own opinions on this, that this one should be correct and all, but on the basis of chapter is what you have to answer. So the correct answer is option B. Here throughout the chapter, if you check about the education system, Bade Bhai says that you have to just by heart and pass the examination. You don't know anything, you don't have an understanding about life. This is how the current education system is. So option B. निराशा के बादल फटने पर लेखक क्या करता था? खेलने चला जाता था, झटपट एक टाइम टेबल बना डालता, आसमान सिर पर उठा लेता, पढ़ने बैठ जाता. सो लेखक, दैट इज छोटा भाई, younger brother, whenever there was निराशा के बादल फटने पर, means whenever he was in depression or sad, what does he do? So it is option B. झटपट एक टाइम टेबल बना डालता. He used to make a timetable. Option B. On the basis of chapter, that is the correct answer. लेखक के सर पर किसकी नंगी तलवार लटकती रहती थी? नंगी तलवार लटकना is a मुहावरा. Means when you are afraid of something. So of what was he afraid? लेखक बड़े भाई की डांट की, पढ़ाई के भार की, आने वाली परीक्षा की, पिताजी के उपदेश की. Of course he was scared of his बड़े भाई's scoldings, right? Option A is the right answer. बड़े भाई की डांट की. अंधे के हाथ बटेर लगना मुहावरे का अर्थ क्या है? See, this is a pattern you can see. They can ask you the meaning, of मुहावरे. So what is the meaning of the मुहावरा? अंधे के हाथ बटेर लगना. बिना मांगे कुछ मिल जाना, बिना योग्यता के बहुत कुछ मिल जाना, धन की प्राप्ति होना, अंधा होने का फ़ायदा मिलना. So it is option B, बिना योग्यता के बहुत कुछ मिल जाना is the correct answer. It is the meaning of that मुहावरा. भाई साहब किस कला में निपुण थे? In which कला? What talent was very good in? What quality was, very greatly seen in बड़े भाई? उपदेश कला, संगीत कला, चित्र कला, शिल्प कला. Correct answer is option A, उपदेश कला. Because throughout the chapter he is advising his younger brother, so उपदेश कला. बड़े भाई स्वभाव से कैसे थे? How was the स्वभाव or the character or behavior of बड़े भाई? अध्ययनशील, शक्की स्वभाव, उदारमना, लापरवाह. In the chapter itself, very clearly this word is given option A, अध्ययनशील, very disciplined and very mehnati, very person who is very, the person who puts a lot of effort in everything. That was बड़े भाई. So अध्ययनशील. अभिमान किया और डैश से गया. Now this you have to complete the line on the basis of chapter. घर परिवार से गया, समाज से गया, देश से गया, दीन दुनिया से गया. So here the correct answer is option D, दीन दुनिया से गया. अभिमान किया और दीन दुनिया से गया. Okay, means when you do abhiman, when you have a pride in yourself, then you're gone from the world. Your case is gone from the world. That is a meaning, and that is the correct half of the sentence for the completion. Abhiman kiya aur deen duniya se gaya. For this you have to read the textbook. Okay, learners? बड़े भाई स्वयं क्यों नहीं खेलते थे? Why used to बड़े भाई not go for playing games with those kids? उनका खेलने को मन नहीं करता, खेल को पढ़ाई में बाधक समझते। उनका मानना था कि यदि मैं खुद बेराह चलूँगा तो अपने भाई को कैसे रोकूँगा? उन्हें खेलना नहीं आता था। करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी. He felt that if I myself go and start playing, how can I stop my younger brother from going into a wrong path? Right? Yes, it's option C. Okay, so this is the end of the practice of MCQ. More can come. Please do practice, learners. Don't just depend on this, but you can also just read the textbook and see my video on each and every chapter. That will also help you almost to attend any kind of MCQ. Okay, so keep supporting the way you support me. Okay, and ask me whatever you want. I have got a new request to put a video on Apatit Gadyansh, which I'm trying. I'll be putting a video soon. Okay, thank you so much. Bye bye.